Hello there, this is Mike Kern. You're welcome to the weekly Forex market forecast. And in this video, we're looking at the NZDUSD, NZDCHF, GBPNZD, and the GBPAUD currency pairs. Before we get into the business of the day, let me introduce you to some of my products. This is the Forex account management service that I offer. And also this is the premium Forex signal service that I offer as well. So for the account management service, you earn as much as 15 to 20% monthly. If you let me handle your trading accounts, let me handle your Forex trading accounts and manage your Forex trading accounts, you can get as much as 15 to 20% profit and even much more monthly, right? We also have a referral bonus of 15% commission from our cut of the profit made. So there will be a profit sharing ratio. You make as much as 15 to 20% profits monthly, and we get our cut, and you also get your cut, and your trading account will keep increasing progressively like that, right? So if you are interested in this Forex management service that I offer, Forex account management service, and if you're interested in this Forex account management service that I offer, my contact is in the description below. It is my direct Telegram contact. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and chat me up, and let's talk about how you can come on board and how you can be part of what we do, right? So it is really going to help your trading and help you take your profits to the highest possible level. So you earn as much as 15 to 20% profits and even much more monthly, and you get a commission of 15% for everybody that you get on board. So the next product, the premium Forex signal service, which goes for $200 monthly. Now, I have realized that a lot of people have been trading for many years and still don't know what to do. They still don't know how to sustainably make profits, and it is crazy, and I know how terrible that can be when you have been in the market for so long and you still don't get it. But the Forex market is quite different from many other kind of businesses out there. The Forex market needs a lot of patience, needs a lot of understanding to make profits. So while you're still in the process of learning all that, or maybe you're no longer interested in all that, you can get, or even if you are already a profitable trader yourself, you can make much more profit with the premium Forex signal service that I offer. This goes for $200 monthly, and it is highly profitable, right? For $200 monthly. Yes, I know the price looks different from what a lot of you see out there, but one thing you need to know is this: I promise you, it is much more value than the $200 that you are paying for it, right? It is much more value than you get much more value than the $200 you're paying for it. So this the signals I provide on this platform, on the signal service, are from tested and trusted trading systems. Trading systems that have been tested and trusted over the years are what I use to derive these signals. And I myself, I'm in this market to make money. I'm making money trading. I also know that selling signals would also make me some money. So I'm doing that. Since I'm making money trading, I'm going to also make money selling signals. I'm also going to make money, managing Forex accounts as well, right? So you can also be part of what I do. And I only give, on this signal service, I only post trades that I take myself, right? So I'm not one of those, I don't know if signal service providers do that, but I do not give signals that I don't take myself, right? I only give signals that I take myself because I know how profitable they can be, and I also don't want to miss out on that. So that's one thing you can take to the bank. This is really, you make a lot of money. You'll take your trading profits to the highest possible level following this signal service. Now, also you can use the same contact, my direct Telegram contact in the description below, copy the link, paste it in your browser, chat me up, and let's talk about how you can start working with me, how you can start getting the signals and also making a lot of money. So that is that for the products I have for you, the Forex account management service, which you get as much as 15 to 20% profits monthly, and also the premium Forex signal service, which you get for $200 monthly. We are here to serve you. I am here to serve you. So let's get back to the business of the day. Now we're starting with the NZDUSD currency pair. Let's take a look at the monthly time frame and see what's happening. Now for the monthly time frame, we've seen price push lower. Now we see this bullish move that happened in August. And we also see the current September candle right there. Now what should we expect? We also see the same story in weekly. Now in the daily time frame, using the daily time frame as our execution time frame, this is my prediction. Now if we see price come into either of the 0.63660 or 0.63783 zones, and it gives us a bearish day close at either of those zones, I suggest that you go for a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio sell at either of those zones. That's what I would suggest, right? But if price doesn't do that, if price comes down into the 0.61156 zone and it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a 1-to-1 buy, a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio buy trade right there. That's what I would suggest for that in that scenario. So in either of those scenarios, just make sure you only take those trades. You only take any of those trades if they meet your confirmation. Only if they meet your confirmation. So let's go to NZDCHF. Now for NZDCHF, take a look at the monthly time frame. We can see the market has been very bearish, but we see this August candle that shot up. That it closed as a pin bar, and we see what's currently happening in September. So let's take a look at the weekly time frame. We see the market trying to push higher. We see price trying to push higher. So let's take a look at the daily time frame now. So what should we expect in the new week? Now if price comes into this zone, if price comes into the 0.54149 zone and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I would suggest that you go for a 1-to-1 sell right there. You can go for a 1-to-1 sell. Yes, I know this is a bearish market, but I just suggest you stick to that 1-to-1 sell in this particular scenario, right? You can go for a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio sell, and close it there using the daily time frame as your execution time frame. Now if it happens here as well, if it occurs at the 0.54589, that is, if price pushes higher and comes into the 0.54589 zone and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I suggest that you go for a sell as well. Right, go for a sell as well. Go for a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio sell. Only take any of those trades in any of those scenarios if they meet your confirmation. Only if they meet your confirmation. So let's go on to the GBPNZD currency pair. Let's take a look at the monthly time frame first. Now what do we have in the monthly time frame? Well, we see that there was this bearish monthly close in August, and we also see this current September candle. So now what should we expect going forward? Let's take a look at the monthly time frame. We see this we see the current push as though price wants to push higher. Now let's go to the daily time frame. Using the daily time frame as an execution time frame, this is my prediction. Now this is my prediction. If price comes into If price comes into the 2.15685 zone and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I will suggest that you go for a sell. Go for a one-to-one sell right there. A one-to-one risk-reward ratio sell, and you'll be good. Only if it meets your confirmation though. But if we see price come into the either of the 2.10510 or the 2.09309 zones, and it gives us a bullish day close at either of those zones, I suggest that you go for a buy. Go for a buy. Go for a one-to-one risk-reward ratio buy right there. Go for a one-to-one risk-reward ratio buy right there. Only if it meets your confirmation. Right? I hope what I said is quite simple to grab. So let's go to the GBPAUD currency pair. Let's take a look at the monthly. Take a look at the monthly time frame. Also similar to the GBPNZD. We see this candle that closed as though the market is trying to point downwards. But let's take a look at the monthly. Similar story. Let's take a look at the daily time frame. Now, what should we expect? Well, quite easy to predict on this one. Using the daily time frame as your execution time frame, this will be my prediction for the GBPAUD. Now, if price comes into the 1.93300 zone and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I'll suggest you go for a one-to-one risk-reward ratio buy, right? But if price comes into the 1.99133 zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then I suggest you go for a one-to-one risk-reward ratio sell, right, in either of those cases. The first scenario was a one-to-one risk-reward ratio buy, and then the second scenario was the one-to-one risk-reward ratio sell. So yeah, don't forget that only take these trades if they meet your confirmation. Only if they meet your confirmation. So that is that for GBPAUD. Thanks for watching today's video. Before we go, I'd like to tell you about the products that I offer: the Forex account management service and the Forex premium Forex signal service as well. Now, for the account management service, you get as much as 15 to 20% profit monthly if you let me trade your account. If you let me manage your account, you get as much as 15 to 20% profit monthly, and even much more. And also, if you get anyone on board to do business with us, you get a 15% commission from my part of the profit. You get a 15% commission. Now, the trades I take on the Forex account management service are highly profitable trades and high probability trades only. That's the way I trade. That's the way I've been trading. High probability and high profits only, right? So this is what I do, and this is how you make a lot of money. There's a profit sharing ratio. When you come into my DM, we talk about that. My direct Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and let's chat about how you can be part of this service that I offer, right? How you can be part of this service, how you can also benefit from this service that I offer. Come into my DM. My Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, use the link, and let's talk about how you can be part of what I offer, right? Now to the Forex signal service. Now with the premium Forex signal service, which goes for $200 monthly, you get highly profitable trading signals that will take your trading to the highest possible level with profit making. I know $200 looks really different from what you have out there, but this is the promise. You get a lot more value with the $200 monthly service that I offer. You know, you get a whole lot more value than the $200 that you pay for it. So the premium Forex signal service is here to help you. I'm aware that many people out there have been trading for years and they've not been able to sustainably make profits. But with this premium Forex signal service, you get to make a lot of profits with the signals that I offer, right? I only give signals that I take myself, so profits, a whole lot of profits are guaranteed, right? So come into my DM. My direct Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, use the link, and let's chat about how you can be part of what I do, how you can benefit from this service that I offer. Yeah, so that's it. The Forex account management service and the Forex the premium Forex signal service. Forex account management service, which promises as much as 15 to 20% profit monthly. Yeah, so sometimes it might be lower than, sometimes it might be lower than that, sometimes it might be definitely much more than that for the Forex account management service, and you get, you know, your profits consistently. And for the premium Forex signal service, you get highly profitable trading signals that are derived from highly profitable trading systems that have been tested and trusted over the years. So thanks for watching today's video. Bye for now.